How to fix two-factor authentication required problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings and you will go directly to apps or applications. Then you will scroll down and search for Facebook apps and you will open it. And when it's opening guys, what you should do now, just go to storage, open storage and go to clear data. Click on clear data, then you will click OK, and now your problem will fixed. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.